As global temperatures rise, more water evaporates from the land and oceans into the atmosphere. With each 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature, the atmosphere's capacity to hold water vapor grows by about 7%. As a result, when it rains, there's more moisture available, leading to more intense precipitation. This increase in rainfall contributes to the more frequent and severe flooding in a warming climate. The energy released by the change from water vapor to liquid further warms the air. Warmer air is less dense and buoyantly rises. The rising air lowers atmospheric pressure near sea level, which draws in more air at the surface. As more warm air is drawn in at the surface, there is yet more energy for a developing storm because more water vapor is converted to liquid water. Atmospheric pressure drops further, and air is more rapidly drawn into the storm at the surface, which we observe higher wind speeds. Rising sea levels make storm surges more dangerous and destructive. As the baseline sea level increases, the storms have a higher starting point from which to push water onto land. This means that even more moderate storms can cause more extensive coastal flooding than they would have in the past. Higher sea levels also allow storm surges to reach further inland, threatening homes, infrastructure, and ecosystems that were once considered safe. As climate change continues to drive sea levels to rise, the risk and impact of storm surge-related flooding are expected to grow significantly. The warming of mid-latitudes may be changing the pattern of tropical storms, leading to more storms occurring at higher latitudes. A northward shift in the location at which storms reach their peak intensity has been observed in the Pacific, but not in the North Atlantic, where hurricanes that make landfall in the Gulf and East Coast are created. This shift could put much more lives and property at risk. There's lots of things that you can do to help with global temperatures rising. For starters, speak up. An easy way to make a difference is to make people aware of the problem. Speaking up about it provides people with information and knowledge on what they are trying to fix. Another thing you can do is power your home with renewable energy. Things like solar panels and wind power are useful for powering your home and green friendly. Surely in your home you have a vehicle. Drive electric. With an electric car, you'll save on gas and help put less emissions in the air. To help with rising sea levels, build or upgrade coastal defenses such as seawalls, levees, and storm surge barriers. Restore natural buffers such as wetlands, mangroves, and coral reefs that reduce wave impact. This will also improve the ecosystem around it. Implement smart urban planning. Avoid new construction in high-risk flood zones. Evaluate infrastructure such as roads, homes, and sewage systems in vulnerable areas. It is important to focus on this because many people die from hurricanes every year. Between 55,000 and 88,000 deaths are linked to hurricanes every year. That could be from drowning, that could be from being hit by debris, any sort of death linked to that kind of hurricane. Many people lose their homes during a hurricane as well. Another reason is because if we are helping to make this planet back to an earthly place, our planet will start to thrive again, and it won't be slowly dying off like it is right now. And all these intense hurricanes that we're having will go back to being still dangerous, but much less intense than they are now, due to everything that's causing them to become more dangerous. And lastly, we should pay attention to this because all the beauty on Earth will die off if we don't pay attention to what's happening around us and do something about it.